Government debunks claims of Indian drone attacking Nankana Sahib in Pakistan. The government on Saturday debunked claims that India had launched a drone attack on the Nankana Sahib Gurudwara in Pakistan. A video shared on social media is claiming that India has carried out a drone attack on Nankana Sahib Gurudwara. This claim is completely fake, the PIB fact check unit said. Such content was being circulated to create a communal hatred in India, it said. Nankana Sahib is the birthplace of Guru Nanak, the founder of Sikhism, and the Gurudwara is a revered shrine and pilgrimage center for Sikhs. The government also dismissed as a fake certain social media posts claiming that an Indian pilot ejected from his fighter aircraft in Pakistan occupied Kashmir and that a woman Air Force pilot was captured in Pakistan. The government also debunked claims that India's power grid has been rendered dysfunctional in a cyber attack by Pakistan, and that there had been a temporary closure of the Mumbai-Delhi airline route. These claims are fake, the government said. The Airports Authority of India has extended the temporary closure of 25 segments of air traffic service routes within the Delhi and Mumbai flight information regions due to operational reasons, it said. The government also said an old video showing Indian soldiers crying was actually of youngsters from a private defense coaching center celebrating their selection in the army. The PIB fact check unit said the video in question was uploaded on Instagram on April 27 and was not related to the army. The video depicts students from a private defense coaching institute celebrating their selection into the Indian army. The youth in the video reportedly became emotional with joy upon receiving news of their successful recruitment, it said. The government also debunked reports in a section of foreign media about 10 explosions around the airport in Srinagar on Friday, as well as separate claims of blasts near the Jaipur airport. These claims are fake, rely only on official sources for authentic information, a government official said. The PIB fact check unit also said that claims on social media about destruction of Indian Army posts were fake and that a video shared in this regard dated back to 2020. The video is old and not related to any activity post Operation Sindoor. The video was originally uploaded on YouTube on November 15, 2020, it said. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Thank you everyone. Bye.